Hey guys, this is Justin with Shock Therapy, and I'm visiting the Dynojet shop. We brought a race car over for one reason, and that is to tune the clutch on this car. Dynojet's clutch kits are the most adjustable on the market, with 6 arm weights for the Can-Ams as opposed to adjusting only 3. This is one of the reasons why the quality of their components are second to none, and the tunability in their kit is also the best you can buy. Before coming to Dynojet, we constantly had issues to deal with when we were racing our car, and everyone asked us how we run a full race on one belt. Well, the truth is, in the past we had to drive the car slower to deal with the temps that we were getting in our belt system. Now, our system is tuned so well, we can run a race, 1,000 miles, floored at all times. If you want to take your play car to the next level, go with Dynojet.